Good morning everyone. Today we are celebrating the birthday party. You know whose birthday is today? Today is Lion's birthday. All the friends of Lion have to come for the birthday party. Okay, so now we will see who will come to the Lion's birthday party. Horse. He is a horse. Tiger. After that, who will come? Deer. He is deer. Kangaroo. Zebra. See, look at zebra. Giraffe. And look at that. So long neck having the giraffe. Yeah, see who is sitting on the tree? Yes, it is monkey and eating the banana also. Yes, it is a big animal. Who is it? Yeah, he is it? Elephant. Fox. All the friends comes to Lion's birthday party. Now we will sing birthday song. Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lion. Happy birthday to you. From old friends and new, from good friends and new, may good luck go with you and happiness too. You all must have enjoyed this song. Okay, now we will do the activity that is given in the PBL book. In the PBL book, page number 41, birthday cake is there. So you have to color the birthday cake. Nicely you have to color. Color within the margin. Okay. And send it on my email ID. Take care. Bye-bye.